Alright, in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you a simple way to make $420 and even more. This method is worldwide free, and no, you don't need to invest money in this method I'm about to show you. All you need is a desktop or smartphone with a internet connection, and to withdraw your money you will need to have a Stripe account or PayPal account. Make sure you watch this video to the end, because at the end of this video I will be giving you a done for you script for free to start using it in combination of this method you are about to learn in today's tutorial, so that you can start generating income as soon as after watching this video. And if you think at the end of this video that this method is kind of complicated for you, it is not what you want, don't worry, because I got you covered. Just make sure you check my first recommendation in the description. That will be the first link in my description. Okay, that's my #1 recommendation. Make sure you check it out and enter your email address, okay, because that is where I'm going to be sending you direct method that I personally use for my business. I'm going to send it straight direct to your inbox. Okay, so with that being said, let's jump into my desktop now. Welcome back, guys. Now we are on my desktop, and before we move on to today's tutorial, if you're new here, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Click the subscribe button now, and also give this video a like and comment below. Let me know where you come from so I can make videos that do work very well in your country. So with that being said, let's move on into today's video. This video is going to be split into actionable steps to follow. So my first advice is that as you're watching this video, make sure you follow the steps and also start implementing the steps at the same time as you're watching this video. Okay, so the first step is that we need to sign up to Gmail account. Okay, assuming everybody have a Gmail account, and if you don't have, what you need to do is just go to Google and search for Gmail account. Okay, then it will show you this page. Okay, what you need to do is to enter your first name, your last name, and your username. Okay, you need to compose a username that you want to be using. Okay, and then you create your password and you confirm your password, and then your Gmail account will be open. All right, that's the step one. All right, guys, step number 2 is that we need a software called Crowdfire. Okay, what Crowdfire does is that there's the social media management simplified. They manage social media like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and all these social media out there. Okay, they manage it for you. For this is what they're good for. Okay, and if you wait to the end of this video, I have prepared the work for you guys. All you need to do is to follow this actionable step. Okay, and later, before the end of this video, I'm going to be giving away. I've done the work for you guys. All you need to do is just copy and paste this work, and in just literally 30 seconds you finish the work, and you can start earning money with this method I'm about to show you. Okay, so let's go back. If you want to check the pricing, okay, you will see that they have a free account. They have $7.48 per month, and they have premium account and VIP account. Okay, if you follow this step to the end, this will be what we want to based on. Okay, this price here is going to be what we are going to based on. Okay, and first of all, what we need to do is that this brings me to the step 3. We now scroll down. Okay, we scroll down to the bottom, and we're going to find affiliate referral. Okay, so this is step number 3, guys. We're going to find the affiliate referrals. Okay, when we click on the affiliate referral, it's going to bring us to a page like this. As you can see, when you refer, you can earn up to $420. Okay, for every customer. They give 35% of all payments they make in the first year. All right, guys, as you can see, you will earn direct cash from this platform. All right, you will earn direct cash and not gift card and not points. okay, you will earn direct cash for every referral to sign up through your link. And as you can see, they also have a quick payout, and this is exactly how it works. Okay, you sign up and get your referral link. Okay, you share and promote your link. Okay, which I'm going to be showing you a very effective way to promote your link. Okay, the work is already done for you. All you need to do is just copy and paste. But stay tuned, I will show you exactly how you're going to do that, because I already done the work for you guys. All you need to do is start implementing this method, and even before watching this video finish, you can start implementing this method according to how I'm showing you this video. According to the step I show you, you implement it and you start earning money with this method I'm about to show you. Okay, all right guys, and you can also withdraw your money with PayPal and Skrill. But before that, if you want to join, you just click here and join now. Okay, you click the join now. So after clicking the join now, it's going to bring you to this next page where you can sign up. It's either you sign up with your Gmail account or you can sign up with your email account. Okay, so after signing up with your email account, it's going to bring you to the next page. So after writing your email address here, you click continue, and it's going to take you to this next page where you're going to fill your name, your last name, your email address, and then your password. Okay, and after that you are going to agree to their term of service. Okay, you just need to click here and then you are ready to join. Then click join the program. Okay, after joining the program, it's going to bring you to this page there. As you can see, you can see your earnings. This is a new account. I just newly opened it to show you exactly how it works. Okay, you can see all your earning details here. This is where you're going to be seeing all your reward details and your referral details. This brings me now to the fourth step, which is we're going to be grabbing our affiliate links. Okay, as you can see here, the right link. Share your link to refer people to Crowdfire. Okay, now this is where you're going to copy your link. Okay, so I will copy it now. Okay, or just click on copy. And my advice for you guys is that we need a URL shortener to shorten this link. I recommend you go to Bitly. It is free to use. Okay, so we just paste the link here. Okay, and we're going to shorten it. So this is optional. If you like, you can leave it like that, but I recommend you to shorten this affiliate links first. Okay, so there's the step 4. So okay guys, after grabbing our affiliate link, after shortening our affiliate link, we now go back to Gmail account. That will be the step number 5. We go back to Gmail account, we click on compose. All right, we click on compose. Okay, so this is done for you method that you can start implementing, since Crowdfire doesn't have an email sample for you guys to promote your links. Okay, so I composed email, okay, that you guys can use. You can copy this email and you just need to insert your name and your link. Okay, this is the subject, and okay, the email composed about Crowdfire. Okay, here where you're going to leave your link. Okay, and then you write your name. Okay, so what we're going to do now is that we're going to copy subject, copy the subject. Okay, and then we go to our email compose. But mind you guys, you can use any email platform. Okay, any email platform. It mustn't be Gmail, but I highly recommend Gmail for you guys because it's more secure than other email platform out there. Okay, so this is why I recommend Gmail for you guys. Okay, so what I want to do is that we go to subject. Okay, we already copied the subject. We're going to so we're going to paste the subject here. All right, to compose the email, all what you need to do is just copy and paste exactly as I'm doing it here. You just copy and paste it to your email, and you're ready to send it. And in a few seconds, I'm going to show you where to find emails to send all these these emails to. Okay, and it's going to be emails of company that are ready to pay. They are ready to use this platform and even ready to pay more. But stay tuned. I'm going to show you all how to do that and where to get all those companies from. All right. So what we want to do is that we want to paste the body of this email here. So we paste it here. As you see, less than 30 seconds, we already have the emails here written. Okay. So as you see, guys, now we have the email already. So copy and paste. Okay, I've already done all the work for you guys. All you need to do is just, you don't need to crack your brain on composing the email. You just need to copy and paste it, and then you change it to your own affiliate links and you write your name down here. Okay, for example, you go to this place and where I write your affiliate links here, you will see that. Okay, this way you want to paste your affiliate links. Just click on this sign here. All right, and you're going to paste your affiliate links. Okay guys, we're going to go back to Bitly and copy our affiliate link that we already shot in. So we copy it and then we go back to our link here, our email link here, and we are going to paste it there. Okay, and we click on OK. As you see, then it will show our affiliate link here. All right, let me just paste it here so you guys can see. So it's going to be looking exactly like this. Okay, but you might customize it, you might write another thing here. Okay, and then all you need to do is click this sign here. Okay, so you click this sign here and then you can insert your affiliate links here. Okay, this is a pro tip for you guys. All right, and after doing that, all we need to do is that this will bring me now to the step number 6, is that we're going to go back to Google. All right, we go to Google search and we're going to write for list of social media management companies. All right, we get it here. All right, so we're going to search for that and we're going to take this, the first search. Okay, the first search result, and that is the top social media marketing companies 2020 reviews. So this is what we're going to click on. Okay, we click on the first one. All right guys, it's going to bring us to this platform here. All right, and as you can see, we have 32,167 companies here. All right, this is a lot of companies. They are all companies, guys, and it means they have more budget to invest in social media, in this software that we are promoting there. These companies are most likely to obtain either the VIP or the premium. Even at least when they obtain for this plus, this is €7.48, we're going to be getting at least €2.60 for every company that sign up. Okay, and literally only with 30 seconds work that I showed you here, guys. Okay, so we just go back here and let me show you how to get the email address of these companies. Okay, yeah, my simple tactic of looking for company's email address, we just go to Google and write list of social media management companies. Okay, and we click on it and then we go to this first one here. Okay, so we see that we have over 32,000 companies here, and how to get their email address is that we want to then go to their website. As you can see at the right side there, it shows their website. Okay, but there's this one I want to show you. We just go direct to, so when we click their website here, okay, to bring us to this page here, they write their info at this, their email address here. They have two email address here. For example, this one is info at socialin.com, and there's another one here with kate at socialin.com. So we want to just copy, okay, and we paste this on our email, and then we send them this our promotion. Okay, so this is one strategy to get the email address. The other tactic that I used to use is that, for example, you go to Google and search for like dentist, like let's assume dentist now. Okay, dentist in, let's say dentist in London. All right, So we now go and search for their website, okay, and then after that, when we get on their website, let's just go through one. Okay, this Harry Street Dental Clinic. So we just click on it to open the website, and then so we're going to look for where the right contact us, okay. So as you see, the right contact us, email us, okay. So as you can see here, they have an appointment email address. This is only for appointment email address and inquiry email address. So we can still send our promotion on this inquiry at hsdc.net. Okay, we can still send them our promotion, and we have more possibility that these people are going to or purchase some of their plans. So this is the second tactic to get company's email address. So after when they see this email, they are most likely to invest on this Crowdfire. All right, guys, because Crowdfire will help them to manage their social media, and this company are most likely to obtain the premium, okay, and that is $37.48, or the VIP, which is $74.98, which this company are capable to obtain such monthly payment because they have more in their budget to spend for their social media growth. Guys, you need to put more effort in it to make money with this method I'm showing you. But if you don't like this method, don't worry, just make sure you check my number one link in the description, okay. And this is where I'm going to be showing you how I make money on the internet. I'll show you how to build different type of income stream online, okay. Just make sure you check my link in the description. That will be the first link, okay. That's my number one recommendation for you guys. Make sure you check it, click on the link, and it will bring you to an opt-in page where you're going to submit your email address. Just make sure you submit your email address, because that is where I'm going to be sending you direct to your email address how you can start to build income stream that you can use to make money on the internet. Exactly how I make my own money on the internet. And if you know you like this video, make sure you click the subscribe button and also give this video a thumbs up, okay. Make sure you turn off notification bell, so each time when I create new videos like this, you'll be the first one to get notified. I will leave on the screen other videos that show you another methods to make money on the internet. So make sure you also watch this tutorial, and I will see you there. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Peace out.